Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to share your Spotify wrap. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now to share your Spotify wrap, once you already have it, you'll just need to head onto the Spotify app, and once you're already in there, you should be able to see a wrap button. You'll have to click onto that one in there so that you'll get redirected onto the wrap page, and once you're in, you just have to click onto your 2020. So you'll just have to click onto the different highlights that Spotify offers to you. The last part of it, you'll just have to click onto the share button. So there is a share button in here. You'll just have to click onto share, and then right after there are different options to choose from. You could copy the link, share it to WhatsApp, stories, messages on Instagram, Messenger, feed on Facebook or your story, or Twitter, or message, and many more. So you could also download that, and that's just basically it onto sharing your Spotify wrap in 2023. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.